everyone, so a long time no video. I'm finally back from my super long hiatus on YouTube, but yeah, I'm finally back to film another video for you guys. It is spring break, so I just thought might as well be productive. And honestly, it's been quite a while since I've done a sit down video, but honestly I've just been pretty lazy and unmotivated. But today I'm not gonna be that way. So if you couldn't tell from the title, I'm gonna be doing a what's inside my backpack. And if you guys were wondering what year I'm in, I'm a senior in high school. I know I don't really look like it. Surprise to anyone who's new to my channel or never even knew in the first place. But yeah, I'm a senior and this is what I have inside my backpack. So the one I'm using is this backpack. You guys have probably seen it everywhere because literally everyone uses this. I'm pretty basic, but my grandma gave this to me for Christmas, so of course I'm gonna use it. So before getting this backpack, I heard like a lot of hype over this bag and a lot of people love it, but for me personally, I feel like I can't fit in a lot of stuff into this bag, even though everyone says you can. But this is the original size. It's quite decently sized, but I don't know, I just feel like I can't hold as much stuff as I could in my other backpack. Like I said earlier, this is the standard size. I think it's like 13 inches or something, but I'm not quite sure about that. If you guys were wondering what color this is the ochre color, and it's basically a kind of darker mustard color, and I really like it because I feel like it could match with a lot of my outfits and stuff, and it's just a nice color overall. So let's just get into what's inside the backpack itself. I'm actually going to be starting with this first pocket right here. This pocket's really small, but I do fit a lot of things in here. I have some Altoids. I just keep mints and gum in here. And along with the Altoids, I just keep some of this extra gum. I have this hand cream from Bath & Body Works. This is in the scent Eucalyptus Spearmint, and if you guys know me, I love the scent of eucalyptus. And also, it's like so essential for me to keep a hand cream inside my backpack because my hands are super dry like all the time, so this is like a must. Then I have a Sephora compact. I don't like looking in here too often because then I see how ugly I look and then I get sad. Then I have this Bath & Body Works hand sanitizer, and it's pretty much out now, which I didn't even realize, but there's a lot of nasty germs at school and you don't want that to get all over you. So make sure you carry some hand sanitizer. I have like an abundance of lip products, of course. So I have 2 lip glosses. This one's from ColourPop, and then this one is from Fenty Beauty, and then 2 lip tints. This one is from YSL in the color 407, which is like my all-time favorite lip color. And then this Too Cool for School Lost Identity lip crayon. It's super cool because it's green and then it turns into like this pink color, so I love that. And then the last 2 items inside the pocket are really miscellaneous, but I just carry them around just in case. So the first one is a garage opener. I don't drive to school, I just go with a friend, and since she drops me off at home sometimes, I just take my garage opener in case no one's home. And then I have this dongle. My phone doesn't have like the earphones like plug, it just has like this, so I need to use this whenever I want to use the aux, and it kind of sucks, but whatever. But that's pretty much all that's in this tiny pocket. And as for like the sides of my backpack, well, a receipt for Sephora. I don't know how that got in there. Oh, this is a note for when I left early from school, like months ago. So now let's just get into the main pocket right here. So the first major thing inside my backpack is my Chromebook, and this is just what our school provides us with, but we do use this a lot in school, so I have to bring it like every day. And by the way, there's a post-it note on here because my friend's face is on here and I don't want to like expose her or whatever. But yeah, this whole thing is like decked out in stickers that I've made, so love that. So next in here I have my folder, and if you guys saw my back to school haul, you would probably recognize this. I never did decorate it, so I'm a big liar. but this is where I keep all my assignments and stuff. And I also have my planner in here as well. This one I made myself. So I had this spare notebook laying around and I just put in all of like the calendar stuff and just basically made my own planner so I didn't have to spend money on anything, and I really like how it looks. Next inside my backpack is my sketchbook. If you guys didn't know, I'm pretty into art. I like to draw, paint, stuff like that, so I'm taking an art class at my school and it does require us to fill out a sketchbook. So this is the one I have. Personally, like the smaller types of sketchbooks because I do write pretty small and my drawings are small anyways, so I like to use this, and it just helps me to not waste as much paper as I would compared to like using a bigger sketchbook. I wouldn't say I'm the best at drawing, but here are a few of my sketches if you guys were wondering. Also, if you guys are curious with any of the other sketches that I do have like an art highlight on my Instagram. This is my pencil case. I do prefer smaller ones like this just so they don't take up as much room in my backpack, and this one is actually pretty roomy inside, which is good because I have a lot of stuff that I like to carry in here, as you can see. So first are the essentials, my AirPods and my earbuds, and I usually do use my AirPods more often than the earbuds, but when the AirPods die I use these. Next are more lip products. I do love using lip products like all the time, and just my lips tend to be really chapped. So I got this ColourPop blotted lip in the color Sucker, and this is in the candy cane version, which is like the best one in my opinion. Like, I love this so much. And then I just carry this really tiny lip gloss from the brand I Love, or I don't know if that's a brand actually. Then I just keep another hand sanitizer and this Nivea lotion because once again, germs and my hands get dry. I have this really tiny nasty looking eraser, but it's kind of a funny story. I found this in the hallway when I was in 6th grade, so I took it and I've had it with me ever since, and this is how much I have left. It's kind of crazy that I've kept this for so long. I have a few gum wrappers in here as well. Should probably throw those out. And finally, inside my pencil case are actual pens and pencils. So some of these I do use for art. So I have a lot of these micro dotting tool pens. They come in all different sizes, which is why I have so many of them, and I just borrow a whole bunch from school and use them in my sketchbook. So that's why I have like a ton of these here. And then I have this huge red marker pen, which I keep forgetting to return. So got this. Then I have these pencils from Bic. These are like my favorite mechanical pencils ever, and I highly recommend them. I always buy the big packs. And for pens, I have like 4 black pens and 1 red pen. I have 2 items left in here, and they're more miscellaneous and like school related. So don't make fun of me for this first one, but it is my 2DS XL. I play Animal Crossing on here, and I've stopped for a while, but I'm getting back into it. It's really cute and fun. Then if I ever go out after school, I like to bring my wristlet. This is from Coach, and it is this really nice like leather material. And of course I have my Minion keychain. I got it from Universal when I was on vacation in Florida. Usually in here I keep like my card, ID, stuff like that, but I moved that into my other wallet. So in here right now I just have some change and more lip products. I have some Carmex Classic Medicated Lip Balm. Love this stuff. And then this Aditum Color Live Tint in the shade Coral on Top. So that's basically all that's inside my backpack. Sometimes there's more, sometimes there's less. It just depends on the school day, but yeah. So thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope this was entertaining. I wanted to try something a little bit different from my typical like beauty videos. So if you guys enjoyed this type of video, let me know down below, and I'll try to do more of like lifestyle stuff hopefully in the future. We'll see about that. And don't forget to follow me on my social medias, which is basically my Instagram at this point. I have kind of given up on my Snapchat and Twitter for this for my YouTube channel, sorry. However, I do have a Spotify if you guys want to see what kind of music I'm into and what I've been listening to lately. So anyways, I'll leave the name of my Spotify right here if you guys want to check it out. And if you guys enjoyed my video today and want to see more of me in the future, don't forget to subscribe and leave a like if you guys liked it. And I'll see you guys in my next one.